Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: GPU support for MSD or software spanning, correct cables, and matching monitor specs. Once done, connect the primary display to the GPU and attach the second via a DisplayPort MSD hub or daisy chain. Make sure both monitors run the same resolution and refresh rate for consistent scaling. Then update drivers and open your OS display control panel so you can create a single combined surface. This first step establishes the hardware bridge you will configure. Now you arrange and activate spanning. In Windows or Linux display settings, extend the desktop and choose either span or use the vendor utility for stitched desktops. Make sure you align displays pixel perfect by adjusting scaling and orientation. Misaligned grids will show cursor jumps. If using NVIDIA Surround or AMD Eyefinity, create a single large display across monitors, then test with a full-screen image to confirm seams. Finally, save the profile so you can restore the layout quickly after reboots or driver updates. Finish by validating the combined display. Run full-screen apps and a bezel compensation test pattern to confirm visual continuity. If you see tearing, flicker, or skipped pixels, make sure cables are high bandwidth, the MSD hub and GPU ports support the total pixel clock, and drivers are current. If problems persist, switch temporarily back to extended mode while isolating the fault. Swap cables, ports, or monitors one by one. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, recreate the spanning profile after a clean driver reinstall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.